Hey, Aaron Adams, Infinity Investing. Topic of today's conversation is mobile homes, deals on wheels. I had been investing in real estate full time for about 3 years in the early 2000s. I came across a book called Deals on Wheels by a guy named Lonnie Scruggs. And it was really interesting because it was a thin book. And he was touting all the money that you could make by investing in mobile homes. And it was really interesting to me because I lived in Hemet, California, and Hemet was originally created. One of the main reasons was it was a massive mobile home community retirement area in Southern California. And so it was filled in the 60s and 70s, and they put tons of 55 and older parks. And I thought, well, that's interesting. I didn't think I could make any money in those mobile home parks. Maybe from reading this book, I'll get a few ideas. I read the book. A month later, I bought my first deal for about $3,000. And it was actually not in a 55 and older park. It was in a all ages park. I spent about $3,000 on that trailer. So I was into it $6,000. I sold it cash for $20,000. So I almost made, I made, over 300% on my money. And I was hooked because there was literally no competition for those deals. There was really good interest in them. And there was this opportunity to flip mobile homes that I had never even thought about. In fact, a year later, I bought my first mobile home park in Nevada. That was in 2003. 80 lots in Ely, Nevada, 200 miles north of Las Vegas, because I figured, well, why not get 2 rent checks every month? I could get a rent check for the lot rent, but then I could also get a rent check if I rent out the home, or I could sell the home and flip it. And so in 2008, when the market crashed the last time, we were overbuilt by about 4 million homes in this country. But in 2021, 2022, we're underbuilt severely. We're underbuilt. I've read as many as 6 million properties we need in this country. We also have the brokest generation that we've seen in a while with our baby boomers with respect to their retirement money. Many, many baby boomers are confronting the reality that they'll have a couple $100,000 in a 401k or an IRA, Social Security for $1,200 a month, and they don't have a pension. So they're trying to figure out how to stretch the equity they have in their home. How do I create a fixed income scenario that I'm not at the poverty level? And so many of them are considering, in a way that they never would have before, these 55 and older manufactured home retirement communities. And in the last 4 years, I've purchased over 10 parks. We have a couple of in Charlotte. We have 4 in Kansas City. We have a couple here in Idaho. And it's been one of the hottest growth segments for us. We think that mobile home investing is one of the hottest strategies out there. We think that you as an investor should consider it because it's the one area where there's plenty of deals on the market. If you have 2 minutes today, get on Facebook and go to Facebook Marketplace. And Facebook Marketplace is kind of like Craigslist. It's kind of like the Dollar Saver, Thrifty Nickel, online classified. People post their stuff to sell. They sell furniture, they sell cars, they sell homes. They also sell mobile homes and manufactured homes. And go to the housing section and click on that type of home in your area. And you'll be amazed because I guarantee you, I don't care where you live, but there's a house that somebody's selling for under $5,000 today. I just don't know anywhere in real estate right now where you can find deals as easily as you can in the mobile home. So what I want you to think about is flipping mobile homes in somebody's park. That's the strategy that we're teaching investors how to do. We have a whole class on that at Infinity Investing. And it's something, I have 10 homes right now here in Idaho that I'm flipping in other people's parks. And then we have our own parks that we're flipping as well. It's a great strategy. We're personally doing it. It's something that you should think about. And maybe, you think trailer parks, manufactured homes, I don't want to deal with that. Well, this is an opportunity to make 100% on your money. I don't know of many ways in 2022 that you can easily double your money investing in real estate as you can in mobile homes. And so for nothing more, join us at one of our Infinity Investing workshops so you can get some more information. We have an online at the infinityinvesting.com portal. We have a 3-hour training that you can get as part of our package and listen to us step-by-step break down how you can get started investing in mobile homes. It's not difficult, and it's just something that you haven't thought about. And the fact that you haven't thought about it is a good thing because that means less competition. Everybody watches the flipping shows, right? Everybody likes to watch Flip This House. And there's not a lot of Flip This trailers. And that's a good thing because that minimizes the competition. So join us at one of our next workshops. Click on the link below. We do them monthly, and find out how you can get your hands on this information and explore this as a strategy for you to double your money in 2022.